There are so many people getting scammed right now on Fiverr. If you are a new seller and you are on Fiverr as a new seller, you need to watch out because there's a scam going around that is scamming hundreds of new sellers, okay? Because you don't know. They're taking advantage of you because you don't know what's going on. You don't know, you haven't been taught what it looks like when you get a customer on Fiverr. So I wanna go through that right now. I wanna show you a little bit about, we'll go through the comments and you'll see how many people are getting scammed on some of my latest videos that I did about how to, on the scams you need to watch out for. But I just keep getting messages from people like, I just got scammed, I just got scammed. I don't want you to fall victim to it. So let's jump into my computer and then we'll take a look and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about in the scam you need to watch out for. All right, guys, so here we are in my, this is my screen for YouTube. This is the two videos. See, my top two videos right here are the Fiverr scam videos. And I just want to go into some of the comments here and so we can see what's going on. So right here, the first one, hi, it's my first time on Fiverr and I'm receiving a lot of messages from people who need my email. What does that even mean? I can't tell between the scams and the real client, so I am so confused. The second one, I have the problem that bots are trying to get my email. I already had 6 of them writing me and it's not normal and not a normal client. Bro, message asking for email to confirm my pay. What do I do? If you don't know, like, go watch these videos because I went over the scam very clearly in this video and then the other video. And actually, I'll put them on the card, right? So you can click on them, or I'll put them in the description so you can see them. Here's another one. New to Fiverr and I got welcomed by a scammer. I thought I was lucky and I was getting my first order. Did I send my email? I did send my email, but immediately got suspicious and I received spam emails with some links, of course, didn't fall for it. Being scammed. Okay, don't want to be scammed. All right. You're a savior as a new to Fiverr. Okay, hi, question. Do I have to share my email in order to pay me? No, and that's the thing. Here's the scam. It's like they're trying to tell you that you need to send your email in order to get paid. If you're a seller on Fiverr, you do not, let me repeat, you do not send your email to the buyer, right? Fiverr will let you know when you have a new order. If you don't get a notification from Fiverr in your message inbox saying, hey, you have a new order, then you do not have a new order and don't give out your email. You're not supposed to do that. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you go to your dashboard in Fiverr, and here's my dashboard, and if you scroll down, you will see if you have an order, it's gonna be right here. It's gonna be right in your dashboard, right? And look at, it says active orders. I have 0 active orders currently, okay? So right now, no orders, and if your dashboard doesn't tell you you have an order, then you do not have an order. Again, go back and watch my other videos. I'll put the link here again, and you can see everything that's in there. By the way, I do have a course that's for new sellers on Fiverr. And what I wanna do, because there's so many people getting scammed, like I have so many comments. Like if we go back to the comment section, all these comments, these are all from people getting scammed. Here's one right here, if I can highlight it, wish I saw this before. I just got scammed for 400. Okay, can you please let me know if someone asked for my email, provide that? No, do not ask your email. Do not give your email if anybody's asking. So here's the deal. I don't want you to get scammed anymore. I'm trying to help people out. If you want my free course, okay, well, it's not free, but I'm gonna give you my course for free if you message me on my profile on Fiverr, okay? Because I wanna make sure that you're doing good. So anybody that messages me, I'm gonna put my profile link in the description. Message me on Fiverr. Let me know that you would like the free course, and then I will go ahead and send you the link for the free course so you can get access to it. I'm gonna give you the entire thing for free, okay? It's well over $1,000 worth of material in there, so like totally for free. It's not gonna cost you anything. The only thing you have to do, I just wanna know that you're serious and you wanna take action, you wanna grow your business on Fiverr. I'll put the link down below for my Fiverr profile. Message me on Fiverr, and then I'll give you free access to my course. My course is always also in the description if you don't want to message me, you just want to order the course, and so you can start learning from me and how I grew my business. Go ahead and message me. Go ahead and click that link below, and I will see you on the inside. If you guys have any questions about what to do and how not to get scammed or anything like that, go ahead and also send me a message on Fiverr. I'll be happy to connect with you, okay? And check out your profile and maybe give you some pointers. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Don't get scammed. Peace.